Just go to bed. Just go to bed. Just go to bed. Just go to bed.
Okay, you don't need to repeat it.
I'm a cowboy, and can you tell me?
No, you know that one.
Round
Yes.
up cows.
Oh my gosh, bless you.
Cowboy, and I can round up.
There's no can there.
I'm a cowboy, and I can round up.
No, there's no can there, Shay.
I'm a cowboy, and I round up cows.
Yes.
I can lasso anything. But Dad says, tick, tick, tick. It's time for the cowboy to come get me inside and get ready for bed.
Good job.
Da, 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 da.
Come on.
I'm a general,
Good job.
and I have to stop the enemy army with my tank. Dad says it's time for the general to take a bath.
Yes.
I'm space.
A, you forgot the A.
A space.
Yeah. Cadet.
And I zoom.
Yeah.
Zoom.
Next page. Next one here.
No, I didn't finish this one.
Oh, okay.
To the moon.
Yes.
What is that again?
Capture
a robot. What the? Where's my ray gun?
Yes. You missed the words.
Dad says it's
This
giant robot has
captured
the space cadet.
What's that?
And is is that?
Going.
Going to, what's that again?
Put
Put him in the bathtub
right
now.
Good job.
I thought that says rowboat.
Yeah, that says robots. Well done, Shay.